Yeah, I'm looking forward to being there. Um, can I just begin?
Yeah.
Is that good? Yeah. So, we say that about 90% of disease is caused or significantly contributed to by stress. And stress can be so many different kinds of things, but the way I define is stress is something we experience when we encounter an aspect of life that we have an allergic reaction to. And what I mean by that is not necessarily the traditional allergic reaction like you've had with poison ivy or some other allergen, but the type of emotional reactivity that we often have in our daily lives with our partners or our kids or our employers or people that we may not be in resonant with. And what I discovered many, many years ago is that people have a preference for some colors of the electromagnetic spectrum and not for others. And what I uncovered in the 70s is that the colors that people seem to be uncomfortable with had the same vibrational makeup as the experiences that triggered them from a state of ease into a state of dis-ease. And so over the years, I've evolved a way of utilizing color to help desensitize individuals from the events that triggered reactivity within them and often contributes to the chronic state of their physical being, including their vision. And so very, very often when I'm working with people and something is able to be released because it's the right time of their life for it, very often they say, I can now see better. And so what I thought would be interesting would be to discuss stress, which is something we're all impacted by, and how color can be utilized not only to desensitize us from the habitual triggers in our life, but also how that may also be reflected in a shift in our eyesight and very much in a shift in our insight. So that's what I'll be speaking about at the event. And I hope your listeners will have an opportunity to hear and gain some insights from that.